Brought to you by JEGS.
Introducing the Lisle 72400 Manifold Drill Template for Duramax 6.6L diesel. Mount the plate according to the plate markings using the alignment bolts, tightening evenly to ensure the plate centers up. Screw the lock screw to the plate for the hole you will be drilling. Insert the 3/16 drill bushing, twist clockwise to lock into the locking screw. Install the 3/16 drill bit in a drill with 500 to 700 RPM. Use the drill depth gauge to ensure the drill bit isn't too long, which may result in puncturing a water jacket. Keep the drill bit cool by applying transmission fluid or cutting oil into the hole before and in between drilling. Do not use penetrating oil. Drill for 5 to 10 seconds and pull out. Reapply lubricant to keep the bit cool. Repeat until you get all the way through the bolt. Use an air gun to clear the hole of shavings. Switch to the 17/64-inch drill bit and bushing and drill approximately 1 inch deep. This will ensure good contact with the extractor. Remove the drill guide and tap the extractor with a hammer and remove the broken bolt. If you are unable to remove the broken bolt with the extractor, put the 17/64-inch drill bushing back in and drill all the way through the bolt with the 17/64-inch drill bit. Then repeat the same process using the Q drill bit and bushing. Insert the tap bushing and use an M10 by 1.5 tap to remove the remaining steel from the threads. Screw the tap in and out again until the job is complete. The Lisle 72400 Manifold Drill Template for Duramax 6.6L diesel.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.